Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to look at how to sand our polymer clay. Right here you'll see my piece of baked clay is all jaggedy. I have all these rough edges, I can feel them when I run my hand over the surface, and it's just not ideal. You could leave it here, or you can go ahead and get yourself some sandpaper, and I'll walk you through what to do next. You might recognize this mural from Austin, Texas. So when you think of sandpaper, you might be picturing this sandpaper that you'll find in your garage. It's super gritty, super rough, and it does a great job when you're sanding wood. We do not want to use this on our clay. This is going to be way too abrasive, and we're going to leave some deep scratches. When you're looking for sandpaper, be sure to look for wet or dry, also known as automotive sandpaper. The fine grit is far less abrasive, and you're less likely to leave those deep scratches. These come in multiple grits. I use a range of 600 up to 1500, but you can experiment with higher or lower grits. Let me know what your results are. I'm going to link my sandpaper below so you know exactly what to look for when you go to your local hardware store or if you want to make your purchase on Amazon. Here you'll see I'm starting out with my lowest of my grits. I'm going to do 600 to start with. Please make sure you read all safety information on your packaging and take all the necessary precautions. I start off with a small bowl of water and dish soap, and I gently just wet my sandpaper before I run over all of the rough edges. Once I feel like I have most of the area smooth, I'm going to then progress to the next grit up. So this is going to then take it to the next level. So I'll go from 600 up to 800. I'll repeat the exact same process, smooth out the edges, try to buff out the surface, and then I'm going to move up to 1,000 and then up to 1,200 or 1,500 depending on what I have on hand. I really enjoy making these tutorials for you. If you're also having fun learning with me, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates. Alright, now we're moving on to our 1,000 grit. Alright, so in my left hand, you will see the unpolished version, and now you will see me switching over to our newly finished sanded piece of polymer clay. As you can see, the edges are now smooth. We don't have any of that rough texture, and I know you can't quite feel it through your screen, but it is smooth like butter. All I need to do now is just put a little coat of sealer on here, and my earrings are going to be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I know I'm going to definitely rock these earrings next time I'm on South Congress in Austin. If you can't get enough of polymer clay, you can also check me out on Instagram and see more of my finished work on my Etsy. Thanks for hanging out with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.